Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create animated graphics in VistaCreate. Creating animated graphics in VistaCreate is a fun way to make your design more engaging. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create animated graphics easily. Open up the preferred web browser and go to VistaCreate website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, choose the format for your animated graphic. You can select options like Instagram post, Facebook post or video, depending on where you plan to use the animation. Browse the templates from here. VistaCreate offers many animated templates. You can search for animated or browse through categories to find your suitable template. If you want to create something unique, select Blank Design option. I am going to use the animated video from here. Once your template or blank canvas is open, you can begin customizing your design. You can add text and image. Click on any text on the text box to edit the text. You can change font style, size, color and the position. Here, you can see that you can select the text and change its fonts by this drop-down menu. You can also change its size from here. Or you can also change the color by clicking on this icon. And to change the alignment, simply click on this align button and change its alignment. Click on the photo tab to add photos. From VistaCreate library, you can add many various kinds of photos or upload your own image through Upload tab and click on Upload Image or Video button. From here, choose the image or video from your local device. Simply drag and drop your image into the canvas and adjust the size. You can also set the image as a background. Right-click on the image and click on Set as Background. Simply click on the image to add it on your canvas. You can also use shapes icon and other design elements from the Object tab here. You can layer multiple elements to create depth and interest in your design. To animate a specific element of your design, select the element you want to animate. Click on the element and you will see Animate tab here. Click on it and you will find various options from here. You can apply different animation to multiple elements in the same design. Now click on Play button to preview your animated graphic. This allows you to see the animated work together and make any necessary adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the animation, click on Export button in the top navigation bar. Now click on Download As and select the appropriate format for it. After that, click on Download to save your animation. By following these steps, you can create stunning animated graphics in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.